Hi, today I'll tell you how to use Trello. If you will use Trello from browser, enter trello.com and then register. But if you want to use Trello from applications, swap down and then you can download Trello from Google Play or App Store for mobile phone, or click Applications and then choose desktop version for MacBook or for Microsoft computer or laptop. Okay, for computer or for mobile phone or for internet, we must register. It's a very simple. Click Register. It's very convenient to use desktop version for laptop. For register, click Register and then choose your account. I will use Google, but you can use Microsoft, Apple or Slack. After we choose our account, we enter in our workspace in Trello. And here we can create board. Click plus and then create a board. Add board title, for example, Learn Trello. Create board. And it is our board. In our board we can create lists. For example, to do, add a list, and made. And we can add third list, doing. It will be the second. And in the first list we can add card. For example, to see YouTube video. The second, for example, to read guidance and other cards. When our card will be doing, we replace it to doing list. When our card will be made, we replace it to made list. When we want to delete our card, tap and then swap and achieving and then delete. Delete and our card will be deleted. If we want to share our board to other people, tap menu, then yet, and then we can copy link and send our link to any messenger. Also, we can delete our board because in the free version we can make 10 boards. Now you know how to use Trello. If you have any questions, you can write me in comments. See other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.